Realme has confirmed its presence at MWC 2025 in Barcelona, where it will introduce the Realme 14 Pro series to a global audience. Alongside this, the brand has teased a new ultra-flagship smartphone with a strong focus on photography. The teaser image shows the silhouette of a phone with a massive circular camera island on the back. Realme Global X handle is also teasing a true DSLR-level smartphone camera phone. Realme BP says the company will unveil a game-changing photography innovation at MWC. The brand also showcased zoom comparison, possibly targeting the Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. A teaser video further fuels speculation by hinting at DSLR-level photography capabilities, with the possibility of a lens attachment system. The Realme Ultra flagship will be unveiled between March 3rd to 6th at MWC 2025. If it enters the market, it will face competition from upcoming ultra-tier flagships like the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Xiaomi 15 Ultra, Vivo X200 Ultra, and Oppo Find X8 Ultra. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.